Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean skin. This lets the mist absorb instead of sitting on oil or makeup. Next, shake the bottle if required and hold it about 6–8 inches away. Close your eyes and mouth, then press once to 3 short sprays, moving the bottle as you go. The goal is a light, even veil, not drenching. Once done, allow the mist to settle for a few seconds so the skin can capture hydration and active ingredients without runoff. Once the first spritz is absorbed, you layer effectively. Use the mist after toner but before moisturizer to lock in hydration, or over light makeup for a midday refresh. If you need extra absorption, gently pat with fingertips, never rub, which can remove active ingredients. Make sure to space uses. 2 to 3 times per day is typical or more in dry environments. Also, check ingredients so the mist complements other treatments. You want synergy, not irritation. You finish by sealing the mist with a moisturizer or with SPF if it's daytime. This preserves hydration and protects skin. If you notice stinging, redness, or breakouts, rinse the product off immediately and discontinue use. Then perform a small patch test later to confirm sensitivity. Also, store the bottle away from direct heat and sunlight to keep ingredients stable. If the scent or color changes, or if you experience persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.